this. This is a rare, whitish, and brownish owl. Sitting right there on the fence, minding its own business. That's its foot right there. It's got 2 feet. And I don't know if those are nipples or not. But they could be. And that's a bird head. Why does it have a bird head? What the fuck am I doing? I don't know. What the fuck are you doing? I don't know why we can't find a camera, but this takes many millions of pictures every second. Records at 1 million frames. Oh fuck. 1 million frames a second. That's not even the accent anymore. 1 million frames a second. I'm the alligator hunter, and I hunt crocodiles. 'Cause that's not a crocodile, that's a birdodile. It's really cool. There's Mummy right there with the other camera.
That's a cool one.
It has 2 eyeballs and a nose. Now I was telling everyone else about the bird's possible nipples. Mommy, do you see the nipples of the bird? And here we have an even rarer 2007 Toyota Highlander hybrid.
Here, I need to use something. Stability. Where's this thing?
It's right there. And here we have an even rarer 1832 Gatorade bottle. Click, click. I don't know what the hell's wrong with this. I press photo mode and it says this function's not available.
Alright, well, you can't go outside until Alice gone.
Chloe's the dog, and she would eat that crocodile. It's getting confused with the wheel. Thinks that wheel's a face. It is automatic face recognition, and for some reason it thinks that face is a wheel. I mean, that wheel's a face. That's a bird. That bird likes to be a bird. It's really rare. I knew all about it. Oh fuck, it's leaving. No, it's not. It's not leaving. It's just in a really weird position there.
Oh, it's down on the ground. Holy shit.
It's eating worms. Why would you eat a worm? Worms are gross. That bird's an idiot. That bird's fucking retarded. Now it's back.
Owl, or what is that?
It's a bird thing. It's just a weird bird.
Is it a hawk?
No, it's just a bird. Now you can see its nice fine ass. Oh my god, what am I doing? Here we have another view from the kitchen. It's even better.
I'm scared.
That's not a view of anything. I don't even know what I'm looking at. There's the bird thing. There it goes.
Where'd it go?
I don't know. What went to the tree? Oh my god, it's on the swing set. That's a bird right there. What the hell? You idiot, why aren't you doing the monkey bars right? You suck at the games that we play at this house. In this bungalow.
Paul,
Well, what?
let me take a picture of this thing.
Let me take a picture of this thing. Mom,
No.
Mom, it's a stupid phone. You're not going to be able to do anything with it. What do you think you're doing? You already got like 100 pictures
No,
of
I
it.
wanted
It's
to
a good
send
camera.
it to